So we are at day 6. It's taking a bit longer for the plumber to do the work than what I anticipated. Doesn't it always? Anyway, so today I'm waiting for him to come by and finally put us the shower mixer hooked up to the water. Yesterday he did the douchette and he did the rain shower head. He also did the drainage for this one and the drainage for the sink, which is completely hooked up now, so I have protected it so we can use it and yet keep it clean, keep it nice for the client. So my goal today is to put some support behind that pipe up there so that it's not just hanging in the air. This one I don't need to do because it's a rigid pipe, so that's okay, it can sustain. Then I will have to pierce my facade so that obviously the shower head is sticking out. Voila, I did my level. So for the shower base, I will have the corner to perfect over there. I didn't have enough cement. And voila. Then of course, once the plumber is done, the idea is to cover his pipes and this absence of tiles so that I'm level with the tiles and I can tile on top. But and after that, present and glue my facade once and for all. And finally, I can start doing my waterproofing, all the corners, all the angles, the niche and so on. I need to do my waterproofing. And then I can present the shower base. And that would be the objective for the day. Let's see how much I'm able to actually do. You will see that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Happy days. guys, so we're coming at the end of day 6. Pretty much all the objectives have been reached. I still have to fix the shower bays, but otherwise the plumber, as you've seen, did his work. I closed all the wall. You saw me do the waterproofing, which is now what you're seeing. And almost day 7, tidying. Yay!